So guys, overall, it's really nice. We're letting it manually pick up radio signals to adjust the time. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, we are reviewing this touchscreen wireless weather station with remote sensor. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what you get inside the box. So right away we see you get a nice touchscreen, you get a manual here. Make sure you check out your manual for features that we do not list. We are just showing you guys how it looks and setting it up. So it reminds me like a GPS. Pop this open and you can see it takes 3 AAA batteries. And here, this is probably a sensor or the temperature, so that would thread right in here for indoor temperature. Let's go ahead and put some batteries inside. And here is another sensor. That takes 2 AA batteries. So refer to your manual, but to get started, you set the channel of the sensor. So this would be an outdoor sensor. You would set this to channel 1, 2, or 3, and you would press the CH up button on here to pick the channel. Make sure they're both the same channel. Once you have the same channel, then you have it set. So we're going to go ahead and place this back on. So place this somewhere outside. Try and put it a place where it's not going to get water. Even though it does say it can, the key would be to put it somewhere that's outside but away from the elements. Alright, so according to this, you have to wait until it's set up. It will receive the signals. Sometimes it could take 7 minutes. So definitely check out your manual. There's a lot to follow to set this up. So guys, overall, it's really nice. We're letting it manually pick up radio signals to adjust the time, but you can manually do stuff. Overall, it's really nice. If you tap this, it turns on a screen as well. That way it lights up the screen. Here it shows the clouds in the forecast, so if it's raining out, it will show rain clouds. Here's the humidity level, the temperature level for outside, humidity inside, temperature inside, date and the time. Now we have it that it's going to manually, automatically set, but you can manually change the date, time, and everything. Overall, it's very nice.